Good morning, coming to everyone from CTL Truck Sales, June 13th, 2016, Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're offering for sale, we're showcasing 4 matching 2009 Freightliner Columbia day cabs, equipped with 14-liter Detroit diesels, set at 455 horsepower each. CTL Truck Sales of Phoenix, Arizona. Our website is ctltrucksales.com. Our phone number 602-278-3350. These Freightliners came from a major fleet. Look at the condition. They're rust-free. Every one of these trucks has 10 brand new virgin Yokohama tires. They have manual 10 speeds, dual drive on air suspension. Very nice, clean trucks. I'll just quickly show you under the hood of one of them how clean they really are. The mileage range is from 505,000, 533,000. The next one has 568,000, and finally 586,000 miles. Really clean trucks, very well maintained, code free. Our price here in Phoenix is $30,500. What a bargain that is for these trucks. Very nice condition. This one here has 505,000 miles. Very, very clean. Please feel free to visit our website. As I said, ctltrucksales.com. There's no body damage on these trucks at all. And again, our phone number 602-278-3350. Beautiful trucks. Nice wheelbase too. 190-inch wheelbase with air slide fifth wheels. There's the tires. Yokohama TY 517 on the drive. Really nice trucks. Please call us. Thank you. God bless America.